Welcome to the Astroimaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode.
Hello and welcome back to my Astroimaging Journey channel. And in this part we're going to make our deringing mask, a star mask that we will use in the deconvolution process. So let's open up the deringing mask or the StarMask process. And all of these values are default right now. Every data set is going to be a little bit different. So it's a trial and error. So I just have it created and renamed based off the defaults. Now, the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to minimize our mask. We're going to bring up the Luminance image, our clone that was processed with ABE already. And let's just start with the default, but the first thing I want to look at is I want to look at my noise. So in here's a decent, let's try to find a decent area of background. So back here's a decent area of background, so if we left click, we can see our noise is below the 0.1. So we can leave this as 0.1 for now, and we may have to adjust our scale. And our growths as we go. But for now, we're going to leave it as is with the defaults, and let's apply it and see what it comes back with. Alright, that has completed. It's definitely a star mask. And if we pop it over, it's picking up a fair amount, but not as many as we would like, especially in the nebulosity. So we're going to close this out. Let's raise the scale to a 6. Now let's go to a 7 and see what that gets us. Alright, that one has completed. Looks like we're getting about the same amount of stars. They're just a little bit bigger. So now we need to pick up some more of the smaller ones. So I'm going to just start tweaking my settings and until I get one that I like. And then we'll be back and we'll discuss the settings that I used. Alright, that has completed. So based on recommendations from one of the workshops in my notes, you can see here I got a noise threshold of about 0.2, shadows 0.25, midtones 0.75, smoothness 10, and scale of 8, and that's yielded us this star mask. And it's protecting the larger stars, which is what we want. And the Luminance mask would do a decent job of protecting these smaller stars. So we're going to leave our star mask as it is. And we'll rename that to deringing StarMask. We'll pop that over here. And that's it for our StarMask process. So I want to say thanks everybody for watching. Hope you found it informative. As always, clear skies, and have a good one.
Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astroimaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, clear skies, have a good one. And remember Duke.